Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from FairPhone 3 to Samsung device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and click on the search bar. Over here you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose Send on FairPhone and Receive on Samsung. Then tap on all of those kind of dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo. Choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon. On Samsung, choose Allow and point your camera at the code. Then wait a bit. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of files app, like My Files, go into in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!